Hello guys, welcome to Arman's Knowledge. I'm Arman and today I brought a new video about Windows 10 some updates. First one update is this Microsoft Windows 10 alarms and clock app just updated with a whole new look. Just open it and check for update to Windows 10's alarms and clock app. The free one that comes pre-installed on all Windows 10 devices updated this week with one of its biggest updates in a while. This update, which brings the app up to version 10.21, 01.28.0, defines the overall design, allowing for much larger front end, adding a full screen option for timer and stopwatch functions. The word clock also gains some improvements with the addition of weather icons and current date for each city location, which should come as a relief to those who still get confused by time differences when traveling or planning a meeting. The alarms and clock app menu was also moved to the left side of the screen and app now better adjust for any size. So this was the alarms and clock update which Microsoft released to Windows 10 with a whole new look. If you use alarms and clock, let us know in the comments. The next update is this: the Microsoft updated the Microsoft Edge as a Chromium, supports popular extensions and regularly gets news features from Microsoft Store. Today the Microsoft Edge now lets you resize the vertical tabs. If you use vertical tabs on Microsoft, you can now customize how much space they take up. Before it was horizontal tabs above the search bar, but now Microsoft Edge lets you resize the vertical tabs panel. This update appears to have rolled in version of 90.0 to 1.00. Reddit users of the feature in action on Reddit over the weekend. The feature works whether you have the vertical pan pinned or not, which make it quite handy. Now, vertical tabs allow you to see more open tabs at once. It's preferred layout for many heavy-duty browsers of the web. When contacted, the vertical tabs panel just shows the icons of a website that you open. You can either hover your cursor over the panel to expand it or pin it to leave it expanded. With support of resizing vertical tabs, you can click and drag the pen to different sizes. So it was the update for Microsoft Edge. The new Edge runs as a Chromium, supports a lot of extensions and repeatedly getting new features from Microsoft. So I hope this will help you guys, and if you have any question, comment us below. So thank you guys for watching the video. See you in the next one.